Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. One of the most common questions which I get on the channel whenever I do a video about fine-tuning a model or training a model is how to get or generate a data set without incurring lot of costs. At the moment, most of the methods which let you create a synthetic or fabricated data set use API based models which can get pretty expensive very soon. If you are generating few lines in the data set, then that is fine, like 100 or 50, then the cost is manageable, which would be still few dollars or maybe multiple uh, bundles of dollars in terms of a data set. But if you're looking for generating a data set for a production use case or for your own test use case for a full fine tuning or a full training, then you really need something which is running local, which is running private, which is running for free, where you don't have to worry about API calls, where you don't have to worry about elapsed time. And that is where this PromptWright tool might be able to help. In this video, we are going to install this PromptWright tool locally, and then we will also see how to generate a data set. The good thing is that these guys just have open sourced this PromptWright, which is a tool to generate large synthetic data sets using a local LLM with the help of Ollama. Specifically, the compatible models are Llama 3.2 and Mistral. We all need a mean to generate large synthetic dataset using a local LLM and not OpenAI or Anthropic's Claude or Gemini or a paid cloud service like Amazon or Google or GCP, which I mean, or Azure. And that is where these guys have built PromptWright for their own use case, which is simply a Python library that lets you generate synthetic datasets using local models via Ollama. Earlier, for example, I have been using OpenAI's API for dataset generation, but cost was very expensive. And that is why a lot of people turn to other tools like Pluto and few. There are various others, but they all use some sort of API based tooling, and that can get pretty expensive. So what this PromptWright does, it runs entirely on your own local machine using Ollama. It is super simple Python interface for dataset generation. You can change the instructions and system prompts to generate a dataset of your own choice. The output is quite clean, simple JSON L format that's ready for training. That is, I really like. You don't have to do another post processing to convert a JSON file to JSON L, which is a sort of a de facto standard for datasets. It also has got direct integration with Hugging Face Hub for sharing your dataset. So, one last but not least, it is Apache 2 license, which is really generous. So hats off to them, and I will drop the link to this repo in video's description. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest tools to run large language models in quantized format locally, and I have done heaps of videos on it. So please do check them out. While we are on the subject of this dataset creation and all that stuff, allow me to also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. You can use Python SDK to run your queries in production using Playwright, and use the browser-based debugger for optimizing queries in real time on any web page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. It is a robust alternative to fragile XPath and DOM CSS selectors, as it uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure to find the data you are looking for. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Let me bring up my terminal, which is running Ubuntu 22.04. I have one GPU card, which is NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy massed compute, and I will also introduce them shortly. But let's first install this PromptWright and see how it works. First step, let's create a virtual environment. I always create it because it's the best practice. So I'm just going to go with Python 3.11. Let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. That is done. And now let's install the torch, transformers, and accelerate. These are all the prerequisites, and that is going to take a bit of a time, like 2 to 3 minutes. And now let's git clone the repo of this PromptWright, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And we have cloned it and we have entered into this directory. Okay, now let's install some of the, but before that requirements, let's install Playwright with pip. It's the easiest way of installing it. Let's wait for it. It is going to download bit of a stuff which is required. Some of the things I already have them, so it is uninstalling them. And that is done. Let's also install the requirements from the root of the repo. Most of it is still already there except tqdm, and that completes our installation. Now, as I mentioned, you would need to have Ollama already present on your system. I already have it. If you don't know how to install it, please go to my channel and then just search with, I would say, sorry, Ollama, and you will find heaps of videos on it. So please check it out. So I already have it running. Let me quickly show you. So if I do Ollama list, I already have this Ollama running. As I said, the compatible models are Llama 3.2 or Mistral. I would highly recommend go with Llama 3.2. It's much performant than Mistral at the moment, and the size is quite low. You see, just 2 gig for Llama 3.21 here. So it is downloading the model. It is verifying the checksum. Okay, so it failed maybe. Okay, sometimes what happens is that it just fails to download it, and it has given you this HTTP 502 error. So which normally shows that it is a bad gateway error. So there might be some disrupt or disconnection between the network and the stuff. So in that case, I would suggest what you should first do Ollama list. Nothing there, so that is fine. And you simply run that pull command again and wait for it. And you see this time it is successful. It is writing the manifest and all that stuff. And if you do Ollama list here, you will see that our Llama 3.2 is running and all that's good. Okay, so now let's see how can we generate the dataset. Everything is ready, Playwright is installed, model is there. Now let me first show you how you do that in the code. So I'm just opening it in my VS Code, and this VS Code has opened the whole repo in the here. As you can see, just go to examples on the left. You will see there are a lot of examples which they have shared. So just click on maybe creative writing, and you will see that they have shared this whole Python script, and this is all you need to run in order to generate your own data set. And so for example, this script is generating the data set about creative writing, and then this is the whole thing. This will be the format, and then it is just testing the Ollama connection, generating some single test sample, and then it is generating the whole data set for you. This is the whole code. That's it. How good is that? Simple, sleek, and very nice and very customizable. If you want to generate a data set, for example, for financial domain or medical domain, just replace these wording from here. If you don't want to do it yourself, just copy, paste it in any ChatGPT or Llama 3.2 or any other, even with the Ollama, ask it to replace it with your medical domain, and then simply copy paste and run it, and you will have your own data set. So how do you run it? The running is again very simple. All you need to do is to call the Python script, something like this, and it is going to generate the data set for you. So you see, so as soon as I have run it, so if I just go up, it is just generating this data set, testing Ollama is there, model is found, and then I just wanted to generate one sample. You can increase this if you like, and there you go. It's a creative writing. So write a story about discovering a mysterious object in your attic. System role, assistant role, and then it has given you the response. There you go. And then if you are happy with it, you can simply proceed with creating the entire data set by pressing Y here, and it is going to generate the full data set for you. So I have pressed no there. I just want to show you how you can create your own. So what I have done is I just copied creative writing script. I went to Llama 3.2 hosted one, and then I asked it that just convert it into a financial use case. So what it did, it changed the whole script, and it says that PromptWright financial dataset generation. It also changed all the instruction, system, model name, and everything. Not the model name, instruction and system prompt, and also this example. And then it is generating it. So now let's run it. So let me go to my terminal. And I have named that script as finance.py. Let's run it. There you go. So it is generating that financial data set. And if you go up, how good is that? What are the key factors to consider when investing in emerging markets? And emerging markets can be so this is assistant role. So if you're happy with this sort of results, you can press Y. Or if you just want to tweak your data set and your script more, just press no, go there, and then run it again. When you're happy, generate the whole data set. So here I have just pressed Y. It is sending the request to Ollama, and it is generating 500 lines of JSON-L. And of course, this is going to take a bit of a time. As you can see that on the right hand side, it is also showing you the ETA, which is around half an hour. So I'm not going to wait for half an hour, but you have got the idea that how easy it is to create a data set with the help of this PromptWright. I hope that you enjoyed it. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the Mass Compute who have sponsored the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on good prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Thanks for all the support.